In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add logo or image in Lovable AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to attach a brand logo or any image to your project so the AI can use it in your design and layout decisions. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. This gives us a quick way to reach the official Lovable site. In the search bar, type Lovable and press Enter. Look for the official Lovable website in the results. Make sure you're on the correct site before you proceed. Click through to the Lovable website and sign in to your account. If you're already logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, open the specific project where you want to use your logo or image. This ensures the file you attach is available to that project's context and can be referenced by your next prompt. At the bottom of the interface, locate the prompt box. On its edge, you'll see a plus icon. Click that plus icon to reveal more options related to your message. In the menu that appears, choose Attach. This opens your computer's file picker, allowing you to add media to your prompt. Now select the logo or image you want to attach. For best results, use a clear, high-resolution file. PNG with a transparent background or an SVG logo often works well for clean edges. Keep file names simple and avoid very large file sizes to speed up upload. Once you've picked your file, you'll see it appear next to your prompt, confirming it's ready. With the image attached, type a clear, actionable prompt that tells Lovable exactly what to do with it. Be specific about placement, color usage, and layout goals. For example, you could write, use the uploaded logo in the header and match the UI colors. Create a clean, responsive job scraper dashboard with search, filters, and job cards. Clarity helps the AI understand intent, while constraints like responsive, header, and match the UI colors ensure it applies your brand consistently. When your prompt looks good, click Submit, or simply press Enter. Lovable will process your request, incorporate the attached image, and generate updates in your project. Give it a moment to complete. If something isn't exactly how you envisioned, you can refine your wording and resubmit with the same attachment, or attach a revised logo with better contrast or dimensions for improved results. That's all it takes to add a logo or image in Lovable AI. Navigate to Lovable, sign in, open your project, attach your file from the prompt box, describe precisely how to use it, and submit. Thanks for watching, and happy building.